Hi, welcome to Janta recipe. Today we're going to make is a pork yellow bean stir fry, yeah, spicy one. Yes, that's what we're gonna make, right? And then follow me. I'm will be guide you and share you with the recipe. What's in there? So at the moment, I'm have here about 2 tablespoons olive oil, yeah. Yes. In there. I don't know why I put in there for instead and straight to the frying pan. Sorry about that. Okay. And right, the next one, which is I'm going to put is the 1 teaspoon of the garlic flake because today I didn't have fresh garlic, so I use it. Yeah. I use a garlic flake, yeah, because I run out of the garlic, fresh garlic, right? Okay, there's garlic, right? What I have in here, I'm going to introduce you. So this is a tablespoon of the sugar, and this is the bird chili, yeah, 2 of them, yeah, no, 3 of them, 3 bird chili chopped, yeah, ginger and pepper bell, yeah, and this is the red onion. So I get a medium red onion, yeah, and that one. And then this there's the halo of the yellow bean. So I'm going to put this least about 1 tablespoon because they're very salty. And this I have a pork, yeah. This pork is what I put is I have about 1 ounces, I think. So, however, and what I have in here, 4 tablespoons of the water and 1 teaspoon of the corn flour, and I mix together, ready to go. Okay. So at the moment, let's turn the heat on, and we go through one by one together. Heat on, yeah, that's it. And then we're going to brown this as a garlic, yeah. We're going to brown this, and that's all this ingredient going to be required for today, yeah. Yeah, the heat's on. There you are. Right. Then after this brown the garlic will not be taken long to brown. When the garlic brown, the next one is going to be following, which is this, right? So at the moment I put in this the heat is number 6, and after this 6, the heat number 6, when this yeah, garlic brown, and this frying, when this seal already, yeah, we will be turn this put all in together, and we will be turn the heat to number 4, yeah. Bear with me because the electricity is ring. It's not like an gas. It's a gas one. It's gonna be a little bit quicker. So I'm going to use this one especially. See, it wouldn't take long to brown it. Yeah. Let's put the fan on. Sorry about the noise, but it doesn't matter. You still hear me. Yeah. So look, it will not take long. Gotta be brown though. It's gotta be a golden brown before we put the pork in there. And after pork started this brown a little bit, it can be a little bit darker brown. Started to see come along, right nearly there. Right here, see how beautiful color. Look, you shoot. Okay, it's beautiful color, golden now. Right, we gotta pull the pork now. There you go, you can hear that. Ow. Yeah. Okay. Let's brush a little bit. There you go. Okay. Now next we're going to be a pepper and the red onion and ginger. Right. Right. That's it. Yeah. So mix together. Right, you can see this, how it sampled like that, right? With this, I'm going to have a little drop of water, about 2 tablespoons of the water, because let them go. They're too dry, so it's about 2 tablespoons there. Just bring over here a little bit, yeah? Yeah. And let's get it go, see? Get it go. Right, like that. Yeah, ginger in there, pepper bell in there, and red and there's onion in there. Now, shake this first. Shake yellow bean. Have to be aware of yellow bean. It's quite very, very salty. Ferment with the salt. Oh, I couldn't. Hang on. Sorry, bear with me a minute. Let's get something to open this. We have emergency help. Got it. Okay, shake already. Yeah. Okay. Coming. Coming. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, done. That's it. You know, one more on that. Quite salty. Okay, here we go. Right. There we go. Now is the following. I'm a diabetic, but I'm not gonna put sugar in. I'm not ever, but this I use this one, yeah. So like this, yeah. So and I'm a diabetic, so I use this one teaspoon, yeah. And following bird chili, yeah, and look like this. Okay, now we're going to cover up for a couple minutes. We're going to cover up a couple minutes and turn the heat down to number 4. Yeah. Yeah, like that. And this is a bean, yellow bean, quite salty. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Now I'm going to put this. Don't forget that this one. Yeah. 4 tablespoons of water. 1 teaspoon of the corn flour. Sprinkle over like this. Yeah. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. And stir them. And you see how thick it is? Yeah? And if they're too thick, you put another 2 more tablespoon of the water, and that just get liquid. That is done, right? It's done. This is I think it's about 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Yeah. And also now remove from the heat. Remove from the heat and taste it. Yeah. Let's get some taste in there. Okay, so here we go. Nice. But turn the heat. Okay. Now we're going to put on the plate. Oh, I don't think you can see you throw that way. We're going to put on the plate. Serving plate. This serving for one person. Yeah. Okay. That's how they look like, quick and done. Right, now we're going to taste this. Let me taste it. So we all got to taste the first. Right, here we go. Perfect. So very delicious. Try this, Will. Try it, huh? So this, I hope you try this and enjoy that. Thank you so much for following. And this is and next time will be video again, but I'm not going to tell you what is. Surprise you, okay? Thank you for following. Bye bye now. Bye. Have a good day.